So we got this 2018 F150, and it intermittently has this issue where you'll be driving around 1500 to 2000 RPMs and it'll make the grinding noise or a rattling noise. At first we thought maybe it was a loose heat shield. That seems to be a common issue, but we couldn't find anything loose, and it did it intermittently, not all the time. And it seemed to do it only when the truck was warm, but it could do it anytime, I guess. So as you can hear in the video coming up, you can tell what it's doing. All right, so we got this 2018 F150, and you can see, you can hear a rattling sound. When you accelerate, and it does it between about 1500 to 2000 RPMs. And what I noticed is you can hear it rattling. If you flip the four-wheel drive on, it stops rattling. So it sounds like as you increase the RPMs, it seems like it goes louder, and when you decrease the RPMs, it seems to go softer. So I think it's actually a problem in the vacuum line somewhere with the four-wheel drive not engage, or it's trying to engage when you're driving, but it's not fully engaging. So after doing a little bit of research, it looks like there's this check valve that could be causing the problem in the vacuum line going to the four-wheel drive lockouts. So here's the part number for it. It was like 26 bucks. 5680933 from Ford. So the location of where this check valve's at, it's super easy to get to, is right here. So it just disconnects from here, goes over, and connects right there. So it should come off pretty easy. So here's the new one compared to the old one right here. Just got the connection right on the top and on the bottom here, and it'll disconnect right after the actual check valve. So there's nothing fancy about taking it apart. Everything just pulls apart. It just slides right off, all three connections. All right, so now the new one's on. They just push right on. This one is, do that one first, right below the solenoid. It pushes on a little bit hard, but it will go on. Let's push that one on, and then the connection right after the check valve. And it should be ready to go. Hopefully this fixes your problem. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.